Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to More with Marquita. Everyone has a special destination that they would like to visit one day. My special destination is Italy. So, if y'all don't mind, take this little trip with me. Since I was a kid, it was my dream to tour Italy. I mean, it has food, wine, love, the Colosseum, many sights to see, many beaches to see. It just reminds me of breathtaking sights and romance. I love decorating based on destination, so I decided to give my half bathroom a modern Italian makeover. Italy is known for its quality leather, so this contact paper from Home Depot gave a leather feel, in my opinion, and it made the room look more modern, so I went with it. Black marble is a quality element in Italy. It gives off mystery, luxury, and power, so y'all know I had to incorporate it in. I wanted to add a little bit of drama to the mirror, so I decided to go with an arch. An arch is a decorative standard in Italian decor. The arch is a cutout of Dollar Tree backsplash and just spray painted gold. Next, I added more black leathering to the floor and then my symbol. The Versace in the floor, I just kind of had that song in my head and went with it. I really don't like this floor because it chips easily, so I'm glad I'm covering. I'm adding clear contact paper to protect my Versace symbol and also to protect the floor because using this on the floor, it collects a lot of dust. So if you decided to try this on the floor, it does collect dust if you don't cover it. I decided to go with marble cabinets because I had a hard time getting the contact paper to stick to the doors. The grooves were so hard to stick contact paper to, I had to cut out pieces and then use my hot gun to get it to stick. I wanted to add glamour and elegance, so I decided to make all my accessories gold. And here's a before look at my half bath. And here is the after. I haven't yet added my beignets and then the rest of my decor, so stay tuned for part 2. I want to thank all my OG followers and my newbies. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and I love you all so much.